Hello, everyone. We are live after a long time on our podcast series here on Instagram. So, quickly, let's start our live session. Thank you for everyone who are joining us and being with us on this session. Your energy and your presence is very much required. So, stay with us. And meanwhile, I will add our guest of honor, Prachi, for the today's session.
Hi, sorry, I was in a little less network area, so I was trying to find a good network.
Okay. No problem, no problem. I
How are
understand.
you?
I'm doing good, doing great. Thank you for joining us on the live session. How are you? How is everything?
I'm doing amazing. It's going good. How's your day been?
It's all good, and I was excited for this session, so it was like USP of the day, and it's good that you said yes. You instantly acknowledged my request to for this session, and for everyone who are joining us live, thank you for being here. Your energy and presence is very much required. Stay with us in this session. And meanwhile, our guest of honor for the today's Prachi, who is a psychologist, who is a therapist, who is sprinkling her magic in offline spaces as well. I see in her stories, it looks so beautiful, those candlelit spaces and all, whichever you are doing in indoors.
The
It's so
last event
much
was
fun.
beautiful. It was an static dance event, and we did it with candlelight. So we had live instruments this time with the dance. And we had three instruments. One was handpan, one was violin, and one was a flute. तो उन सबका जो combination बना for the dance later when we did the dance free flow, it was beautiful. Like I saw from all age groups enjoying that experience
How
and
good.
really connect with themselves. You know, our topic for today, spending time with yourself, it
Yes.
was very closely related to that.
Okay.
Because when you get into that state of flow, when you're dancing, painting, doing pottery,
Yes.
something that you really enjoy, you get
Yes.
into that state of flow. And that time, you are spending time with yourself.
Yes, to get into that state of flow. Yes, and that's our topic for today as well, being with yourself. And I can feel that with those photos, those were giving that vibe, that energy. And I was like, how beautiful she is doing all of these things. And why not let her invite her here? So, Prachi, let's start with our basic first question only, that being with yourself, that's the topic of the day. Right? Why it is important to be with yourself, how it is like when we are with the person, right? When we are being with ourselves.
Sorry, can you repeat?
I'm asking, let's start with the topic itself, that is being with yourself, right?
Yeah.
So, how it is like when we are being with yourself, why it is important, because this topic is very close to my heart. This is what I strongly believe in. That when we connect with ourselves, especially in today's distracting times we are living, right? Where we are living in such information age, so much of networking, everything is happening. And
Yeah.
there is this disconnect with ourselves, deep within us,
Yeah.
right? And it is very much required in today's time, right? And
Yeah.
how we can be with ourselves, why it is important to be with ourselves. Anything you have to share on this, like with your knowledge, with your wisdom?
Okay. So I think a very important part of living a life which is stress free or where you can say that your mental health is good
Hmm.
is when you actually start focusing on your own needs, your own emotions, and understanding that. So all that matters ka tagline bhi hai your emotions, your feelings, and your thoughts because it's all that matters, right? You need to focus, dive deep within inside of you because that is something that is the most crucial to focus on
Right.
when we do that, when we do something aligned with what we don't want, right? Or when what we don't say, sometimes we say things that we don't wish to say, or we do something that we don't want to do. When we
Hmm.
do something that is not aligned with us,
Hmm.
that's when it starts creating this dissonance,
Hmm.
right?
This
When
is
our actions
harmony.
and words don't align, yeah, it creates
Hmm.
that dissonance, and with that dissonance, there are a lot of mental health sort of disturbances that can come up. It
Hmm.
can create stress, it can create anxiety, it can make you feel like I don't really belong
Hmm.
because they're trying to, mask. yourself. You're trying to become someone else who you're not.
Hmm.
And that,
Right.
in the longer run, does not stay very well. It really starts affecting then your body as well, because constant state of, when you're in a constant state of like flight or fight,
Hmm.
it really disrupts the entire process.
राइट राइट और इट लाइक प्रॉब्लम यानी ऊपर से कुछ भी हो तो नीचे इसका सरफेस और रूट कोज तो यही है कि
Yeah.
दैट डिस्कनेक्ट इज देयर दैट डिसोनेंस
Yes.
इज देयर
They are not true to themselves.
they are not true to themselves we are not at times we are not being true to ourselves to our words to our actions but we are feeling inside is not what is coming outside
Yes.
okay. Okay, and how can one and there is this flight and fight mode you told, right?
Yeah.
So what is this mode? Like sometimes we are not even aware that we are in this mode, right? We are just living, है ना? तो
So
पता
okay.
नहीं होता है, right? कि
Okay.
हम
So
इस mode में
think of it as an example. जैसे अब आप सोचो कि अभी आपके सामने एक टाइगर आ जाए, क्या होगा?
तो panic एकदम है ना? बहुत डर and all, है ना?
Yeah. So there is a system in which in the body that gets activated when we
Hmm.
are scared.
Hmm.
ये रिस्पॉन्स जो है ना फ्लाइट एंड फाइट, वो ऐसे सिचुएशंस के टाइम पे बना था फॉर सर्वाइवल.
Hmm.
That when we see a tiger, when we see someone in the wild, this is, I'm going back in the development of humans, right? And this response is created so that we can protect ourselves in situations where there is a threat,
Hmm.
right? But nowadays, threat is very easily perceived. मतलब
Hmm.
आजकल हर चीज में थ्रेट है, कुछ भी थ्रेट है.
Hmm.
अगर थोड़ा सा भी ऐसा सिचुएशन आता है जहाँ हमें लगता है कि there is a threat or there is fear that comes up,
Hmm.
this response is activated.
Hmm.
So the full body goes into sort of a mode where the flight fight response that I'm talking about, it goes into a mode where physically all your energy and your resources, body ka resources, are
Hmm.
now being used up to protect you. So what happens is that your gut will stop working because digestion is not important for survival. My
Hmm.
energy needs to go to other muscles of my body. So my
Hmm.
heart will start racing, right?
Hmm. Right,
I
definitely.
get sweat. I get sweat in the hands or in the entire body. Warmth feel होती है पूरे body पे.
Hmm. Okay. Right.
You might also feel heavy in the chest.
Hmm.
Starts happening is that there is energy that accumulates at just these areas of the body.
Hmm.
Your
Right.
chest, your heart, your
Hmm.
mind,
Hmm.
the legs.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
all of these other systems, they kind of stop working at that point of time.
Hmm.
Because you need to run, either flight. So flight is basically running from situation. So energy
Yeah.
आती है body में, ठीक है? Fight में
Right.
भी shape है. And there is
Right.
another response, it's called freeze. तो बहुत लोग कर भी नहीं पाते हैं. मतलब कई बार कुछ लोग ऐसे ब्लैंक हो जाते हैं, जोन आउट हो जाते हैं.
Hmm.
क्योंकि वो फ्रीज रिस्पॉन्स है.
Hmm. Right.
When they don't know how to act, when they don't know what to do.
Hmm. Right.
Either you can be in a flight or fight where when you feel like there is a constant threat that you need to be aware of, that you need to fight off, that you need to be safe from.
Right. Or freeze, not a like being total. जैसे होता है ना सिचुएशन से बिल्कुल ही अलग हो गए हैं.
अलग हो जाता है, पर नहीं, रिस्पॉन्स तो होता है बॉडी में.
अच्छा.
पर ऐसा होता है कि इतनी नंबिंग हो जाती है कि आप मूव भी नहीं कर पाते हो.
फील
You
नहीं
feel
करता.
like, yeah, you feel like I can't take an action, I can't do anything, I can't move. ऐसी सिचुएशंस कभी हुई है कि ऐसा लगता है यार ऐसे
Hmm. The voice has gone.
yeah.
That's
Sorry, I'm just facing a little network issues.
yes. Yes. No problem. Yeah. Feel good.
So,
Yeah.
yeah. कि, you know, we have this situation, कई बार हम ऐसे हो जाते हैं कि क्या करें?
हाँ.
We don't know how to move, we don't know what to do. We are um, in this zone where action नहीं ले पाते.
Hmm.
Fight
Right.
और fight दोनों actions हैं. या
Hmm.
तो आप fight भाग जाओगे सिचुएशन से, या आप fight
Hmm.
करोगे. Please
Hmm.
समझ नहीं आता क्या करें यार.
Hmm. Yes. Yes.
ये
Yes.
रिस्पॉन्स सिस्टम हमारे में एक्टिवेटेड होता है.
So yeah, this is what we have inherited. This is what is being activated by default.
Yes.
And what is the healthy response? What should be the ideal response to situations?
So, see, fear might come up, okay, in situations.
Hmm.
But you have to remind yourself that it's not life threatening. Okay, for example, अगर मेरा relationship में कुछ झगड़ा हुआ है ना, मेरे पार्टनर से मेरी कुछ लड़ाई हुई है and things are not going good for a while. I
Hmm.
have to remind myself that this is not life or death situation.
Hmm.
It's going to be fine. Like it's threatening, yes, but उस पे अगर मैं इतना attention लगाऊं उस situation में, and if I get very panicked, then if I'm in a flight or fight, then I'm probably going to ruin the conversation, run away from the conversation, be passive aggressive, do all
Hmm.
of that.
Right, exactly. Huh.
So you
So
have
we
to
have to
remind
first
yourself.
sit with ourselves and remind ourselves this is not life threatening at all.
Yes,
This is something
that's
that
why
can be deal with, that can
that's
be
why
dealt.
being in touch with yourself is very important. Because when you're in touch with yourself, you can recognize that,
Okay.
oh, I'm feeling this, and I think it's not necessary in this situation. So let me look, let me see how I want to respond to this. How am I feeling, basically? First, recognizing.
Hmm.
क्योंकि क्योंकि कौन सा इमोशन है, क्या फील कर रहे हो, वो रियलाइज करना भी बहुत जरूरी है बिफोर एक्टिंग.
Hmm. राइट राइट. और कैसे बीइंग विद योरसेल्फ के लिए आप मतलब क्या हैबिट्स में भी हम डे टू डे लाइफ में डेवलप कर सकते हैं सो दैट वी कैन बी मोर विद आवरसेल्व्स राइट बी एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज आवरसेल्व्स रिकॉग्नाइज आवर इमोशंस because anyways we are living in such a distracting world that we tend to forget ourselves our emotions उनको attention जाता ही नहीं everything is have become so external that
या
that internal connection is it's getting more tough now to build this internal
एक्चुअली
connection.
एक्चुअली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हालत ना उल्टी है थोड़ी यहाँ पे. वी आर
अच्छा.
नॉट फोकसिंग ऑन द एक्सटर्नल.
Okay.
What we are focusing on so deeply and very like pinpointedly inside of us,
Okay.
inside our mind, that we
Okay.
really get out the mind. I
Okay.
think mindfulness is something that I practice a lot to stay in the present and with myself, where I breathe. Breath is a very important tool for mindfulness. Breathing is very, very helpful. So
Hmm.
if you find yourself where, a lot of times classroom में ऐसा होता है कि टीचर बोलती थी कि यार तुम बैठे तो यहाँ हो लेकिन तुम्हारा माइंड कहाँ है.
हाँ. Right.
टीचर्स बोलती थी.
Hmm.
ये पूरी दुनिया के साथ यही हाल है कि मतलब अभी हमारा बॉडी कहीं और होता है, माइंड कहीं और होता है. तो आई थिंक गेटिंग बैक इनटू द बॉडी इज वेरी.
Getting back into the body. Yes, especially getting back into the body.
And also getting back to the environment. So being in the present, like enjoy something that you're doing. So when you're eating a meal, that's like such a basic thing. Every day you eat a meal. Try and make it mindful, right? Where use your hands, smell the food, eat it with your hands, and then really taste it properly. Involve all your senses. See the food, see what you're eating. Don't talk. Don't look at the screen. Really spend time doing the things that you do by focusing just on them.
Yes. Right. Okay. True. And this focus building has become so tough.
Yeah.
Right.
Very tough.
Building this focus. Right. We build the focus, then we are distracted. We build the
सिर्फ
focus, then
माइंड में रहता है, सब माइंड में रहता है. तो
सब माइंड में रहता
ब्रीदिंग इज अ गुड टूल टू
है.
गेट
Okay.
योरसेल्फ बैक. ऐसा हो सकता है कि आप डिस्ट्रैक्टेड हो, फिर जस्ट ब्रीथ एंड बी लाइक ओके, कम बैक, कम बैक, कम
Come
बैक.
back.
हाँ.
Yes. Reminding yourself.
Yeah, try and engage your senses. Your sense engagement helps a lot.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hmm.
all your senses of like seeing, smelling, hearing, tasting,
Hmm.
touch. These are five
Hmm.
senses. Involve all of them
All
and
of
get yourself back.
Hmm.
Breathe, involve your senses, get yourself back.
Hmm. And maybe we are also doing so much living in maybe such times doing so much multitasking that it's tough to focus also like maybe that is
No,
also
it
like
takes, it takes the exact same time. In
hmm.
fact, it takes lesser time. When we're
Hmm.
stressed and when we're doing stuff, ऐसा लगता है कि हम बहुत जल्दी कर रहे हैं. जैसे अगर आप देखोगे कुछ को
Hmm.
जल्दी जल्दी लोग करते हैं. बट अगर
हाँ.
उसी चीज को मैं बहुत आराम से करूंगी ना, तो टाइम उतना ही
हाँ.
लगेगा.
एग्जैक्टली आई हैव स्टार्टेड
हाँ.
इम्प्लीमेंटिंग इट इन माय मॉर्निंग बच्चे का टिफिन रेडी करना होता है सुबह रेडी करना होता है हम लोग
हाँ.
बहुत रश में रहते थे सब कुछ अब मैं उसी को काम नहीं कर रही हूँ एंड आई सी थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन द सेम
Same
टाइम
time, exactly.
इवन इफ
But
आई एम
you're less
वेकिंग अप
stressed.
धीरे से उठा रही हूँ धीरे से पैक कर रही हूँ पर
हाँ.
टाइम सेम ही है आई हैव पर्सनली
हाँ.
एक्सपीरियंस दिस and I
Yeah.
wasn't trust anywhere. It was just me only
Exactly.
in my mind only, with my
Exactly.
thoughts only,
Exactly.
making all those stories maybe. Right,
Yeah.
right. That's great.
और ऐसे ही छोटे मोमेंट्स में आप अपने साथ टाइम बिता सकते. बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं है.
हाँ.
और जब आप प्रेजेंट रहते हो ना तो आपको और समझ आता है कि व्हाट आई लाइक, व्हाट आई डोंट लाइक,
Hmm.
कॉन्वर्जेशंस बेटर समझ आती हैं लोगों की।
Yes. Right.
क्योंकि तुम प्रेजेंट में हो तो तुम उसको जवाब देने के लिए नहीं सुन रहे हो, तुम उसकी सुनने के लिए सुन रहे हो।
Hmm. Stay रहती है वो कहीं स्टोर होती है those conversation also.
Yes.
It's not you are not forgetful also anymore.
Yes.
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 Stays with you. Right. And like putting intention to it, how does that help? Like doing things with intention and all. That's also one part of it, right?
It's
Being
a part of it. It's a
Hmm.
part of it, yeah. Like, please continue. आप बोलो पहले, sorry.
नहीं कि वही कि how does that also helps, right? Building this mindfulness, right? Putting intention to your day, to your moments, to your things, right? It's like you bringing yourself back to the maybe moment, and is it, or does it?
I think intention से ज़्यादा important है steps, the process.
Okay,
Enjoy the process of it.
okay. So like example,
I'm giving an example. जैसे लोग ना काम खत्म करने के लिए काम करते हैं,
हाँ,
काम करने के लिए काम करो,
hmm, right,
काम खत्म करने के लिए मत करो।
हाँ, कि ये खत्म होगा तो ऐसा,
नहीं कि ये टास्क मैंने लिया है, मुझे खत्म करना है, तो हम हमारा इंटेंशन, अगेन गेटिंग बैक टू दैट,
हाँ,
इंटेंशन स्टेज विद द एंड गोल,
and
the finished product or task or whatever.
not
But
with the doing.
the focus should be on the process,
Hmm.
not on that. तो आपका इंटेंशन भी वैसा ही रहता है, तो आपको वो स्टेप्स पे ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए rather than the outcome.
Right, right, बिल्कुल। और आप पर्सनली कैसे माइंडफुलनेस मतलब एक्सपीरियंस करती हैं या प्रैक्टिस करती हैं सिंस यू आर आल्सो हेल्पिंग सो मेनी पीपल सो देयर
Yeah.
मस्ट बी सम बर्नआउट फॉर यू एज वेल maybe not I'm just asking
Yeah, no, there is.
yes and you are dealing with so many people in offline online spaces doing so much और एक creative burnout भी हो जाता है ना शायद maybe
Yeah.
creating things right and how do you like tackle with those personally if you can tell maybe about those
जो मैंने आपको टूल किट बताया ना वो मैं करती हूँ, उसी के साथ साथ कनेक्टिंग विथ नेचर,
okay
spending time with loved ones.
okay
That helps me. I really love like my home cooked meals. So I
okay
will sit and I will enjoy my food. Like I said, being mindful about it. I
Hmm.
try and bring myself back to the present quite a lot. And I think this is one thing that has helped me the most.
Okay. Right.
Breathing helps a lot. I exercise, I meditate, I do all
Okay.
of that. So that helps getting back into the present. Getting back, like I said, being in touch with the body is also very important. So
Hmm.
exercise helps me do that. That I
Okay.
get in touch with my body when I'm exercising.
Right. That's beautiful. So
Yoga
maybe
also helps a lot.
yeah. Same. I'm also into yoga, so I can well relate. Yoga is like it's another level work. Like body is involved, breath is involved. It's like their complete एक जो satisfaction जो आ जाती है ना उसमें
हाँ,
सब चीजें breath involved
रिलैक्सेशन भी पूरा आ जाता है.
पूरा आ जाता है. It's like it's a complete process itself in itself. Like, beautiful. And what brings you this journey, Prachi? Like being here, helping people, right? Being with your positive self, right? And being with yourself. What made you bring here in this journey, right? Is there
It
any?
started very long back. Started very
Okay.
long back. हाँ, like बचपन से ऐसा था कि मेरे को हेल्प करनी है लोगों के पास, तो मेरे को
I,
डॉक्टर बनना था पहले. फिर पीसीबी मुझसे हो नहीं पाया. फिर मैंने वो ह्यूमैनिटीज लिया, आर्ट्स लिया, and I just loved psychology. It helped me explore so much about myself also.
yes.
I, around my family and friends, I have been someone who is like, well, सबके साथ वो होता है ना ज्ञान बांटना और ये सब करना कि नहीं मुझे पता लाइफ सुधर रही है इससे ये करते रहो और फिर उनमें चेंजेस देखना. तो
हाँ.
क्योंकि आप एक स्टूडेंट होते हो ना साइकोलॉजी के, तो बड़ा इंटरेस्ट आता है कि क्या है ये, फिर सबको बताने की इच्छा होती है कि अरे हमने ये पढ़ा. तो वो जब फिर मैं देखती गई धीरे धीरे कि यार it is a very helpful personal life में, मतलब it's a very helpful subject. So I
Right.
was like, no, I want to pursue this only. That's where it came. And when I was a student, and then so when I started working under supervision, and then I did jobs, and I explored more deeply, I just knew I wanted to be a therapist. Like,
Yeah.
पता था मेरे अंदर बहुत naturally वो empath, you have to be an empath, I feel.
Yes.
to be in this field. And I was always an empath. So
Hmm.
that really helped. Like it was very much a part of me. So
Hmm.
initially it felt like a lot of work, but then now it just feels like, just me being myself. I
Yeah.
don't have to even try or do anything else. Like not even put a lot of pressure कि अरे ये ऐसे ये कि कई कुछ अलग केसेस आते हैं कई बार तो ये केस आया वो केस I'm like okay हो जाएगा पता है मुझे.
That's so good.
Of course we need to update ourselves with
Yes, exactly. There is a learning curve in every journey, whatever you take.
हाँ हाँ
There is never stopping. If you are onto that, then it's always going to be so
absolutely.
amazing, right? And that's beautiful. It's reflecting from your eyes, from your soul that you're living the purpose of your life, and definitely
Yeah.
people who are with you are definitely being helped a lot.
Thank you for acknowledging and thank you for recognizing this work and also helping spread the word to other people. I
Yes.
really appreciate what you do as well, Pooja.
Thank you, Prachi. It was mutual respect, I guess, admiration for each other only that we are here and
Yes.
talking live, and that's so beautiful. And it's important also to network with the same people,
Yes.
so that
Yes.
to keep our soul alive in our work, right? So
Absolutely.
yes, so that is helping me also, and so that's so helpful. And any message you want to share to all the people, anything you want to tell to everyone, and
Okay, I just want to say that, life is little and focus on things that make you happy. Do what you want to do. Say no more often. Be kinder to yourself. Um, judge less. Yeah.
just less. Yes, exactly.
Just less and be kinder to yourself and yeah, do whatever makes you happy. And it is that easy. Mindfulness is one tool that will help you take there. And of course, if you are looking for any kind of help or support in this journey, I am more than happy to assist you. And all your emotions are more than welcome.
And just like do what makes you happy, do more of what makes you feel aligned. And that's where people struggle with a lot because they
I,
want to do their things and
yeah.
they are stuck in
मजबूरियों के वजह से नहीं कर पाते हैं वो लोग.
ओपिनियंस ऑफ अदर्स, वो क्या बोलेगा, इन सब से निकलने के लिए आप सबको क्या बोलेंगे कि हाँ कैसे वो इन सब से निकल सकते हैं?
मैं ना अपने साथ एक टूल करती हूँ तो वो मुझे बहुत हेल्प करता है so I call it the bird eye view which
बट
means that yeah which means that think that you're a bird okay
ओके.
and go up close your eyes think you're a bird keep going up you're crossing the room you're crossing your house you're crossing the colony then your city your country the globe you're in space now and see how tiny you are and how tiny everyone else is. Does it really matter? So when something feels like, क्या सोचेंगे लोग क्या बोलेंगे या मैं ये नहीं कर सकती क्यों क्योंकि अगर यार बॉस ने ये बोल दिया तो या घर वालों ने ये बोल दिया just do this bird's eye view. And we're like, okay, is it really relevant? क्या ही फर्क पड़ जाएगा like, कितना ही फर्क पड़ जाएगा उसने अगर कुछ बोल दिया तो okay you
थैंक
will
यू फॉर
feel
गिविंग इट
happy
अ
enough.
ब्यूटीफुल नेम. वेरी गुड एक्सरसाइज. यस.
Yeah.
यस, तो ऐसे खुद को यूनिवर्स से बाहर देखो और देखो कि हम कितने टाइनी बीइंग्स हैं.
Exactly. We're so little. These words that other people say are so little. They don't hold value.
Yes,
But
definitely.
what you think holds a lot of value because you have this universe within you.
Hmm.
That is more relevant
Yes.
than anything else.
Yes, exactly. How beautiful. That was the message we were looking for. And beautiful trick also because I already do that, but I did not have a name to it and all.
Acha.
I see myself outside the universe and floating there and see
Yeah.
things without looking everything so small and all. But yeah,
Yeah.
give it a beautiful name and it will stay with me now. And
I'm glad.
thank you, Prachi. Thank you for being here with us. That was a
Thank you for
beautiful
having.
session.
Thank you so
And
much.
it was lovely, lovely talking to you. Thank
I am so happy to be here. Take care. Have a great day.
you too. Bye bye. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for being here.